Hey there! Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to block all calls from unknown numbers directly from your phone settings. Whether you're tired of spam or just want more privacy, this method will help you take full control of incoming calls. Open the phone app on your mobile device. Tap on the two dots at the top right corner of the screen. Select Block and Filter from the menu. Again, tap on the two dots at the top right corner. Now click on Set Rules. Choose Block Calls. Then tap on Block All Calls from Unknown Numbers. Finally, turn on the option to activate the feature. Then confirm your choice by clicking Turn On. That's all it takes to stop unwanted calls from unknown numbers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more useful mobile tips every week.